cupcakes waiting for me. A circle cookie, round and sweet, like the mood, a yummy treat. A square cookie, crunchy and neat. Number 4, sharp corners, good to eat. A triangle cookie, pointy and fun. 3 little sides, baked in the sun. A star cookie, shining bright, sparkling shapes in every bow. A heart cookie, pink with love, hugs and kisses from above. Shapes together, what a surprise. A cookie party for happy eyes. Top, so yummy and sweet, I can't make it stop. An orange cupcake with frosting bright, tastes like oranges, what a delight. A yellow cupcake, sunny and sweet, like lemon drops and zesty treat. A green cupcake with sprinkles so fun, so minty and fresh for everyone. A blue cupcake, blueberry surprise, cool and tasty for happy eyes. A purple cupcake with grapes so sweet, a rainbow of cupcakes, oh what a treat. Colors together, shining so bright. Cupcake colors make smiles take flight. Queasy Hive. I found a jar of candy bright, colors shining in the light. Red is yummy, tastes so sweet, like strawberries, what a treat. Orange candy, tangy fun, like oranges in the sun.